back to my channel. Today is a new year. Can you guys believe it? Yes, Mama. Yeah. And we are going to just be doing all sorts of things today. I have quite a bit on my list. We need to do some laundry. We also need to cook some lunch for the girls. Ready? And we also have to then fold said laundry. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna do a salad that I discovered on Pinterest because I have this kale here and I have to use it. So, it's been in my fridge for a while.
There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken hearts, faded dreams. I'm trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk.
I'm gonna add a little bit of balsamic. You can always mix this in a bowl, a little cup, but I'm lazy. And then we're gonna drizzle the honey right on top. And we're gonna mix it up.
If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome, and you'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud.
I'm gonna add a little more honey.
Yeah, there's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep.
And then for the toppings, it's pretty simple. We have sliced almonds, a little bit of cranberries, and some feta cheese. I don't have much, but that is going to be the last thing that we add. Pair it with some chicken breast, you're good. Super simple lunch.
Cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. No, I promise I'll stay.
Yes.
I promise I'll stay.
Finished lunch, and now it's time to clean up. The goal is to clean the kitchen, move towards the living room, put away all the toys, because there's like a whole bunch of toys everywhere. And then I have to bring laundry down and fold it. Lots to do.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing. In this puzzle I used to call my life. Oh no, didn't even care enough to beat it
is currently Thursday. We are going to finish folding more laundry because I had one more load. And today we're also going to try to clean my hydroponic. I have neglected it quite a bit with the holidays. We were all sick, lots to do during the holidays that I have not taken care of it. So I'm gonna wash it, and then we're going to actually plant some things. We're gonna do lots of herbs this time around. And we also have to clean some humidifiers, because if you don't clean them, they like get really gross inside and moldy. So make sure you clean your humidifiers very frequently. And I usually have them ready to go, nice and clean, in case we do get sick, because you just pour in the water, turn it on, don't have to worry about cleaning it if they are sick, and it gets gross, you know, so definitely make sure. And then we have to work out today. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. And I'm keeping an eye out on the LA fires. It's really, really tragic what's happening over there, and kind of scary. Like, I'm just thinking about like when we went through the hurricanes, you know, you have like a lot of time to evacuate, but it seems like over there things could change so rapidly that that's quite frightening. I've never seen anything like that. And yeah, follow a lot of people online who live in LA, and it's quite scary. A lot of them had to evacuate, so keeping an eye out on that. Hopefully it seems like they're containing it today, and that will be the end of it. Crossing my fingers and praying for everyone in LA, because that is wild. But yeah. Oh, I also have to do bread. So let's start by making some bread. It's been a hot minute since I've done any, and we need to make some for the kids.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I lean on you and I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart.
Smoothies are done. All my cups are in the dishwasher, so we're using a Mickey mug. I don't really like drinking out of mugs if it's not coffee or tea. Like, I don't know, but alas, it must be done. We are also, in addition to everything else today, potty training. So far, so good. But there is bribery involved. AKA, if you use the restroom, you get candy. Because, you know, I'm done changing diapers. I want to have just one baby in diapers. Just one. So we are working on that today since my son is still in Miami. He gets back tomorrow actually, and we're gonna go into the weekend. I already told my husband we are not leaving this house until Sunday. We need 3 solid days of just being at home steadily of potty training. So that's what's gonna happen. But we have to now fold the clothes, and I think it's almost time for my little one's nap time. It's 1:30, probably gonna put her down around 2. This is our basket that we need to tackle with, of course, a Disney movie. So Rapunzel it is. Oh, makeup? You have makeup? How beautiful.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
I'm making the kids lunch, and basically I have here marinara sauce, garlic powder with garlic salt. I chopped up half a zucchini, and I also cooked one little tenderloin, and we're going to just pulse it with this so that we create a sauce.
Oh, every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fight.
All right, so their lunch is done. I'm gonna be doing steak and a saute of vegetables for our lunch. We went to Costco this week and we got some steak, so I gotta cook it. And last on my list for today is to actually clean our humidifiers, but I wanted to share with you guys which humidifiers we have. So these are the humidifiers we have for the kids' rooms. I really enjoy this brand. I got the Levoit big square one, which like a lot of people have for Christmas like a couple years ago. I mean, it's maybe like 3 years ago. And I love it. So I decided to get the same brand, but this little version for the kids' rooms because their rooms aren't that big, and they are amazing. I really enjoy it because you can connect it to your phone and control it from your phone. So you do have that capability. Mine's so old that it doesn't have that technology, but I think now all of them do. But that is definitely a plus. And it fits a lot and lasts a pretty long time. Like 2 to 3 nights. So sometimes, depending if they're really sick though, I do put it on high and it lasts like maybe 2 nights, not even. So yeah, but these I will link down below if you're interested. If you want one for your room, definitely highly recommend. After this, I have basically tackled all of my list. I had, oh my god, I just spilled all that water on me. There was water in here. Be right back. No, it is all over the floor. Be right back. All right, crisis averted. We cleaned. It's all over my apron, but alas, at least it's not on me. But what I was saying is that we basically have to just clean the humidifiers. That's what's left. And then I have to work out and edit one of my Disney videos. But that is everything. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do the hydroponic today. It's already the evening and this video is long enough already. So we're gonna leave it at this. Like always, I hope you guys enjoyed this mundane mama life. You know, this is just the reality sometimes. It's nothing special going on in my home. So like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.